Hi friends, सर्वेषां स्वागतम. Today a subhashita. अग्नेभ्यो ग्रन्थिनः श्रेष्ठाः ग्रन्थिभ्यो धारिणो वराः धारिभ्यः कर्मिणो ज्ञेयाः कर्मिभ्यश्चोपकारिणः. अज्ञः innocent, ग्रन्थिनः educated people, श्रेष्ठाः best, धारिणः who studied the books, वराः appreciable, कर्मिणः who adopted what they studied, ज्ञेयाः respected, च and उपकारिणः helpful. People who read books are better than the illiterate. People who adopted the knowledge are honorable. Who use their knowledge are appreciable. Who are helping people by using their knowledge are great. ನಿರಕ್ಷರರಿಗಿಂತ ಸಾಕ್ಷರನಾಗಿರುವುದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವವನು ಉತ್ತಮನು. ತಿಳಿದುದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವವನು ಗೌರವ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಅರ್ಹನು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವವನು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠನು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದः. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.